Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to get Google Maps to talk by enabling talk navigation. So you're gonna first open the Google Maps app on your iPhone, Android, or iPad, and then you're gonna search the location you wanna go to by typing it in the search bar right there. After you type it, after you find it, you're gonna tap on the blue directions button at the bottom of the screen, right there. Then you wanna click start, and Google will start navigating, right there. So, if you don't hear the navigation talk, you're gonna adjust the volume of the navigation and the settings, or like you just raise the volume of your phone. Click on the left corner of your screen, those three lines. You're gonna click on them. After that, you're gonna head to settings, then navigations, then select the volume level you wanna prefer. Use the play sound test to see what volume fits best. Now once you started, if you want to adjust the traffic alerts volume, tap on this volume icon on the right of the screen. You'll see three options: muted, alerts only, and unmuted. These So the alerts option will allow Google Maps to verbally warn you upon upcoming traffic issues such as crashes, constructions, looks like a speaker. By the way, turning on traffic alerts disables stock navigation for turn-by-turn directions. So that's everything to know.